Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my garden tour. Let's give you a nice garden tour for Labor Day, end of summer, well unofficially, start of fall. I've got the fall decor out, not all of it, not Halloween, but just fall. Look at my Norfolk pine, it's really growing big. My arborites. You can tell it's going to maybe rain a little bit later. I didn't want it to be too sunny out here so I could show you guys without any glare. Look at my crepe myrtles. I can't believe this tree was literally maybe a foot earlier this year. And now look at it. It's huge. My little grasses there. There's a couple more crepes. These are the black cherry crepes. Look at their blooms. These are slower growers. Slower than those. That tree is huge for a foot. Oh my gosh. Maybe 6 feet now. More, maybe. These are these crepes. The black cherries don't grow as fast. They grow, but not as fast. Here they are here too. The idea was they're going to line the pathway. And they're starting to. But some of them are so much smaller. The ones on the left are so small, and the ones here on the right, for some reason, are just larger, but that's just how they're growing. This is a good size one. My canna lilies, like I have every year, I've done an edit on them. I've gotten rid of them. I've had way too many. They grow so well over here. I've sectioned some of these off. So I made little sections there and there, but I definitely have to do, it's windy. Can you see the wind? I definitely will be going in and cleaning up a little bit. I avoided it because it was so hot, but I think the weather's starting to change just a little bit, so I will be going into this area. I'm doing a little bit of cleanup. There isn't a lot. I've been keeping up with it this year, so there isn't too much. Look at my rose tree there. Can't call it a rose bush because it's a tree now. Look at it, way up there. And got the fall decor positioned here. That's what I use for fall/winter. I'll change the signs out obviously for winter, but that's for fall. And the little patio area. The bougainvilleas, there they are, the showstopper bougainvilleas. I don't really do much and they grow a lot. I just trellised that one up there, and that one obviously is trellised up that way, so I'll be working on this one, get it cleaned up and trellised. The pathway, we'll be cleaning that up. And I got the grasses in the planters. These were from Amazon. I really like them. It took time to put them together, but once they're put together, they're really nice and contain the garden. Look at the bougainvilleas, the purple hearts. They really grow also. And then on this side, the crepe myrtles, I put them in these little planter boxes that don't have bottoms. There's 3 of them. And they do not have bottoms, so I just built them around the plants, which I really love. I'm gonna have to, these will stop blooming soon. I'll have to clean them up, give them an edit. Same here. Look at this bougainvillea. It was tiny earlier in the year. Tiny. And it has grown bunches. Here's from the back, the front view from the back. There's that bougainvillea. So you can see the pathway. Pathway has been somewhat overcome, but that's what cool weather and fall is for. Thinking more, it's going to be end of September probably. End of September before unless I just do a few things here and there. And then here's the pathway here. And look at the bougainvillea. It has just overtaken. It's really, really, really grows. And I don't do anything to it, which is kind of nice. And here's another crepe. It's not blooming anymore. There's the little seedlings. And the plan was to trellis the bougainvillea and the crepe. So that's what I'm doing, but I just see how I'm like trying to make it like a trellis. But it's just grown a lot faster than I could do anything with it. So that's how it stands. We'll go in just a little bit, but I have to duck just to go in there. And then that looks pretty in there. So yeah, definitely we will need to work on clearing up this pathway. But another month, give it another month. And there's that pathway there. There's the back view to the front. Some of our little Halloween spiders are up. The ghost will be coming out next. I'm just not sure when. And our little patio area. I cut two of the tree pieces down. Love this little patio area here. That's how it looks. I didn't put the umbrella up for this Labor Day weekend because the rain. Which is unfortunate, but it's okay. We all need some rain. Still very humid though. So counting the days that I could come out and actually put in a good full day of work. So right now I'm just doing scattered things here and there. I'm not putting in any full days. There's the archway. It has a star jasmine up on it. I actually had two of them, one at the walkway and one here. This one did not fall over and it's growing good. The other one, it fell over. There was a big wind and it fell over, so I completely just removed it. And I imagine if this happens to this one also, I see it's already leaning a bit. So I have a feeling I'll be removing this one also, which is a shame because I really wanted to have the jasmine trellis on that. But it looks like it will be falling. And let's see, can we see the plane over the clouds? We'll see. There it is. You can see it definitely. Plane there. There it goes. Top view of the sky and the trees. And this is our Labor Day. Central Florida. A little cloudy. Some sun earlier. But more clouds than sun. So. Okay guys, I hope everyone has enjoyed the garden tour. I'll be bringing you some more updates. And as I tidy and clean up the garden in the cooler weather. I hope everyone will enjoy their Labor Day. Have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you enjoyed watching the garden tour. Thanks, everyone. Bye.